The benefits of ICT in the health sector. First, the benefits of ICT in the health sector can help carry out disease, epidemiological surveillance or observation of disease event from day to day, so that unexpected event of disease can be anticipated more quickly. Second, then the benefits of ICT in the health sector can help detect various health problems, such as an increase in malnutrition, an increase in malaria, diarrhea, and dengue fever case earlier. Third, with ICT, the patient disease can be detected in more detail. Fourth, furthermore, the benefits of ICT in the health sector can help detect various types of disease simply through the internet. Fifth, both public health centers, laboratories, pharmacies, and private practices can transfer patient data electronically. Sixth, in fact, the benefits of ICT in the health sector can help to find out various types of drugs only through the internet.
7. With ICT, diagnosis, therapy, treatment, monitoring patient status can be easier. 8. ICT can also change the pattern of medical interpreters to find out the patient disease history. Because now there is a smart card system that can be used by medical interpreters to find out the disease history of patients who come to the hospital. The card can help medical interpreters know the patient's medical history automatically. 9. The presence of ICT examination products such as a robot also help the surgical operation process as well as the use of three-dimensional computer imaging results that are able to show the location of the tumor in the patient's body.
The rapid development of technology has made the human life easier. However, behind many positive sides, the use of technology brings many health problems at all ages. And the use of social media on smartphones, for example, contributes to serious health conditions, including depression and anxiety, with other problems arise due to technology. Here's the review for you. And point 1. Itchy and the eyes using a smartphone for hours on end can cloud your vision and dry out your eyes. Not only in the eyes, you can also feel pain in other areas of the body, such as the head, neck and or shoulders. To prevent this from happening, apply 20, 20, and 20. Every 20 minutes looking at the screen. Spin 20 seconds looking at something else 20 feet away, equivalent to 6 meters. Point 2. Poor posture, the way different people use their device and computers can contribute to incorrect posture. Looking down and slouching puts too much pressure on the neck and spine. Walk after an hour of work whenever possible to avoid change in posture. Point 3. Sleep disorders using technology too close to bedtime can cause difficulty falling asleep. The reason is the blue light from the device, which continues to stimulate the brain. Blue light can disrupt the circadian rhythm or body rhythm, making it difficult for a person to sleep. You may also feel more lethargic the next day. Avoid using the device and 1 and 2 hours before bedtime. Replace it with other activities such as stretching, reading a book, or taking a shower. Point 4. Lowering physical activity excessive use of technology triggers various health problems, such as obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes mellitus, and premature death. Take advantage of usable technology that promotes exercise. This method can reduce sedentary behavior in the short term. And point 5. Change in brain structure. Children's brains are still developing and more sensitive to the effects of technology. Health problems such as ADHD can also occur in teenagers when they use digital media excessively. Switch screen time to physical activity and other hobbies that don't require looking at screens or other electronics.
6. Isolation. The problem that arises as a result of the next technology is the feeling of isolation. Social media is essentially designed to bring people together, although that's not always the case. According to one study, young adults aged 19 to 32 with high social media use were 3 times more likely to feel socially isolated than those who did not use social media as often. 7. Depression and anxiety. Positive social media interaction will have an impact on lower level of depression and anxiety. However, the opposite also happened with negative social media interaction. A person will experience high level of depression and anxiety. So, we have to be more careful. 8. Obesity. People who eat while using a smartphone or snack while watching television will tend to choose unhealthy intakes. In fact, the risk of obesity also increases due to lack of the physical activity.
There's a lot of risk because using technology in healthcare sector. In electronic medical records, it's more vulnerable to security violation and hackers. Healthcare practitioners may come to over-rely on electronic records and forget how to work without them. Errors may result from entering incorrect numbers or typo. Some systems are difficult to use or navigate. The system could go down or experience technical issues. In digital diagnosis and telehealth, doctors don't always see the patients. So, patients and doctors alike may miss visual cues, misinterpret message, or miss important physical features or cues that could aid in diagnosis. Communicating online in chat and email is not secure. A doctor license in one state might not meet licensing requirements for another. Digital diagnosis may mislead people into thinking they have more severe issues. In medical robots, over-reliance on robots. A surgeon does not physically feel what he or she is doing. May require a natural position during surgery. Training varies by hospital. Technical problems. Electric power can cause burns. More expensive, more training, and also may take longer to operate.
Technology is currently developing very rapidly in all fields. The health sector. Health technology today is very different compared to 20 years ago. Currently, technology in the health sector continues to develop to become more efficient, easier, and more sophisticated. Many health technology are currently being developed and are expected to be implemented in the future. Here are some examples of future health technology. Number 1. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Currently, virtual reality and augmented reality technology has been widely used as in games. However, virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are currently being developed for the health sector. This technology is very useful because the doctor can perform examination on patients without having to meet face-to-face. Surely this is very useful because it can save time and more efficient. In addition, with this technology, doctor can also perform surgical exercise on patients before performing the actual surgery. Number 2. Robots. Robots are very often used in matters that are very dangerous for humans or go to places that are difficult to reach. In the medical field, robots can be used to reach parts of the human body that are difficult to reach. The robot is very small and can be controlled using a controller so as to minimize the danger to the patient. Robots can also later be programmed to attack disease caused through the bloodstream in the body.
3. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be used by hospitals for various things, from examining and diagnosis patients to writing their prescription. The use of artificial intelligence is very useful because it can facilitate the service of patients and ease the work of doctors. 4. Health monitoring technology. Technology can unite on health has been widely used today. This technology allows users of this technology to see and integrate their body health condition through a chip implanted in the body. This chip can later send a person's health condition such as heart rate, blood pressure to body sugar level. This information can be accessed with an application on a smartphone or other devices. 5. Artificial organ or body part. With technology, people can make body parts such as legs or hands as replacement for body parts that have been damaged and had to be amputated. This prosthetic leg or hand allow the wearer to carry out activity and accident. Organs such as eyes can also be made so that the wearer can see again.
Our hope for technological development in the health sector is to be able to make or find tools for diseases that have not found a solution or cure to for us not to lose many lives. With the technology in the health sector, we hope it can help in preventing disease transmissions.